Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the machine to host a split-screen session. Create or update your Project Zomboid install and confirm local multiplayer support is enabled. Once done, plug in the controllers and test them in Windows or Steam so the system recognizes each device. Make sure you close background programs that steal CPU or GPU time to avoid lag. Next, open the game and select Host Game, Local, so you can add additional players without relying on external servers. Now add the actual players and bind input. In the Host Game menu, create the main character, then use Add Player to create additional survivors. For each new slot, assign the correct input device, Controller 1, Controller 2, or keyboard. Make sure the in-game option for split screen or local multiplayer is toggled on so the viewport splits automatically. You should also set comfortable keybinds and check that no two players share identical input mappings, because that causes control conflicts during gameplay. Finish by tuning visuals and testing the session end-to-end. Lower or raise resolution and UI scale so each split pane is readable, then save the host profile and start the world. Walk each character around, open inventories, and interact with objects to confirm independent control. If a controller isn't detected, replug it, update the device driver, or toggle Steam input configuration for that controller. Alternatively, restart the game after changes. If audio or performance stutters, reduce.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.